Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to you for the last comment share this video because it's amazing. 3 days ago, I received new update for iOS bro of my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And today I receive again another update. I don't know what is this Apple, what is this? People say that this update is security update. Yes, because on the preview update there are some bugs. Okay, no problem. When I was talking about this, I decided today to update my phone and show you how it's working everything, my friend. Are you ready? And you see what I'm talking about. I install the preview version. Let's see quickly. Add 64. Let me show you quickly. You can see operating system iOS 16.4. Can you see this? This is not a joke. Now, the brand new update is here after just 1 day, 1 or 2 days, I don't know, but it's here. Let me see. Let me see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Software update. Let's check. Let's check. Wait. Well done. This is what I'm talking about. Can you see this, my friend? Can you see this? This is the brand new update that I'm talking about. Can you see this? This is iOS 16.4.1. You can see this update provides important bug fixes and security update for your iPhone, including pushing hand emoji does not show skin tone variations. The second, Siri does not respond in some cases. This is a problem that people meet when they're installing the preview version. Now we are here to install the brand new version. Okay, bro, what do you want that I do right now? Apple says that is very important. So let's go. Click on download, enter your passcode. Let me do this quickly. Okay, and you can see update requested. You need just to wait a few minutes for the downloading of this thing, bro. Wow. Okay, wait with me. Don't forget to charge your phone. I have 97% of battery here. This is very important. This update, you can see about 1 minute remaining to download this thing. You need just wait about some seconds. It can not take so much time. Okay, don't forget to click like and share, bro, because this is amazing. Process continue, and this is my Samsung Galaxy. No, this is my iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Can you see something? Look at how it look like, bro. It look pretty even 2023. Can you see this? Design, everything beautiful. I love it. Okay, you can see now. About 0 seconds remaining. And just wait. This phone is really, really beautiful. What do you think? This is impressive phone. Nice, the design is so beautiful. Big cameras. Wow, it's so clean. Very still very, very clean after many years. And I love it. I love it. Look at, you need to wait again because nothing. What can I do? What can I do now? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, okay, wait with me. Can you see this, my friend? Preparing update. You can see the process. Bro, this thing takes so much time. I don't know, my friend. I don't know. What wrong with you, Apple? Can you see this? Wow. Okay, just wait a minute. I have a message. Look at what I have in front of me. And you can see verifying update, bro. I think that this phone will update in a few minutes, bro. A few minutes. Update will start. Just wait with me. Okay, and this is what I'm talking about. What is happening here? What? Look at that. An Apple logo is here in front of you all. And the selection process started. Okay, wait a few minutes. And my phone reboot for the second time. I don't know why, but this is what I'm talking about. Okay, do I wait again? I don't know. Okay, wait a minute. And what? Look at what I have here. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16.4.1. Seriously? It's done, my friend. Now it's done. Okay, cool. Let me enter my passcode, bro. Because I'm so beautiful. Okay. Let's check. Let's check. Settings. General. Software update. Let's check. Let's check to see. Checking for update. And what? Wow. App is up to date. iOS is up to date. Can you see this, my friend? Cool. Okay. Let's open again. Either 64. That's to see more information about memory, everything. You can see operating system become now iOS 16.4.1. This is cool, bro. This is very, very cool. Nice. Now, what about memory? Look at what I have here. A rubber RAM. only 925 megabyte. Do you believe this? I need to restart this phone. It's very important. Okay. Turn off this phone quickly. Okay. Power button and volume down. Now, what can you do? Just do this to turn off this phone. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now turn on this one. Power button again. Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? Still off. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Now Apple logo is back. Can you see this? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at how it look like, my friend. Look at how it look like. Look at this clock. So beautiful. And this girl also. So amazing. Amazing girl. Look at his design. Can you see this? Whoa, look at his body. So beautiful. Okay, now let's enter my passcode again. Enter to your phone. Let's go enter 64, that you can download on the Play Store for free. No, your App Store. Memory, let's see, memory right now. Okay, memory. Click and look at what I have here. Available RAM. 1 gigabyte. 1,978 megabytes now. Wow. I think that Apple need more RAM. What do you think? Let's see what I think. Now, let's see. I can see. Look at how this phone look like. Nice. Okay. Cool. Amazing. Very nice. Very. Everything work. Lock screen also. Cool. Can delete this. Can add what you want. What do you think? Cool. What about Face ID? Let's see. Beautiful, as you can see. Face ID work. It's working. Can you see? Look at very well. Face ID. Nice. Can you see this? Look at very well here. Beautiful. And it's amazing. I love this phone, bro. This phone is very powerful. When we're talking about security or something, amazing screen. I have not seen screen burning yet on this screen, my friend. This is very impressive because I have Samsung Galaxy S9 plus Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and I have screen burning on the both phone. This is very different and I like it. I like it very well. And this is cool, bro. Very cool. Okay. Now you can see it's working perfectly. Let's open again at the 64. Memory. Look at what I lose. Oh, I think that this phone takes so much RAM, bro. I think that iPhone need more RAM. Yeah, iPhone need more RAM. Okay, thank you for watching. I also watch your Android video. You can do the same thing. Update your phone, Android your new phone, your new update everything, and tell me how it look like in your phone with commentary. And peace. God bless you all. Now on the next video, I will make quick gaming test with Big mobile again. No. Call of Duty. Just to see how it's working. Maybe we both game. I don't know, but subscribe, like, and share, and stay ready for the next video. I love you all.